In this video, you are going to see how to insert a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Video. Here you will find three options. If I click on this device, the video will be inserted from the computer. Click on Desktop. Let us select this video and click on Insert. Now you can adjust its size to place it in your slide. Now click on over here, go to playback. If you click on automatically, the video will play automatically during the slideshow. If I click on loop until stopped, the video will be looping until the slide is stopped. Now I can add the video from the stock or online. Let me delete it. Again go to Insert, go to Video, click on Online Video. Now I have to paste a URL over here. Go to YouTube and click on this three dot, click on share and copy this link and paste the URL over here, and here you will see the preview. Click on Insert. Now let me reduce the size and you can apply the same trick over here. Let me delete it by pressing the delete button. Go to Insert, go to Video. I can insert the stock video. Click on Stock Videos and here you will see various videos. You can select any one and click on Insert, then the video will be inserted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.